Funke Akindele is one of Nollywood's most successful and influential filmmakers. As an actress, producer, and director, she has built some of the most iconic franchises, delivered multiple record-breaking blockbusters, and created a powerful digital presence that makes her one of the most watched Nigerian creatives across cinema, streaming, and YouTube. She began her journey with I Need to Know, but her breakout character, Jenifa, transformed her into a cultural phenomenon. She expanded that success into film production and directing, becoming one of Nigeria's most bankable creators. Her movies combine humor, family themes, cultural realism, and emotional storytelling, giving her broad appeal across ages and demographics. Funke Akindele's production catalog is one of the strongest in Nollywood. She creates commercial hits that resonate with Nigerian audiences and the diaspora. Her producer credits include Jenifa, Omogeto, The Saga, Nigeria's highest-grossing film, Battle on Buka Street, a major box office success, A Tribe Called Judah, another record-breaking cinema hit, Your Excellency, which was directed and co-produced by Funke. She also played a lead role in the movie Indu Street, a series created by Funke, Jenifa's Diary, an ongoing long-running series, Aitoro Town, another series project created by Funke Akindele, Behind the Scenes, her newest cinema movie, continuing her run of high-performing family-driven dramas. Her productions reflect her mastery of ensemble storytelling, comedy, drama, and community-centered narratives. Funke Akindele's directing work has become central to her filmmaking identity. She directs with strong emphasis on humor, relatable characters, emotional punch, and culturally grounded narratives. Funke Akindele's films frequently appear on Netflix, giving her global visibility. Several of her productions also stream on Amazon Prime Video, which by effect constantly broadens her international audience, particularly in the United Kingdom, United States, and Canada. Funke Akindele also actively dominates YouTube through channel Fan TV. Her YouTube platform has millions of loyal viewers, making her one of the most influential digital filmmakers in Africa. She uses her online channels to promote films, drive cinema excitement, and maintain fan engagement. Funke is extremely active online using Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube to promote film premieres, drop trailers and teasers, share rehearsal and set videos, interact with fans, and amplify box office campaigns. Her strong digital strategy is a key factor behind the success of her different projects.
Yeah. Do you know what you're made for? You're a light that's gonna shine, and yes, the world is gonna see the power.